Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to buy TSMC stock on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be using the web-based client portal. First, head to interactivebrokers.com and click the Login button in the upper right corner. Select Portal Login from the drop-down. Enter your username and password and you'll land on the client portal homepage. Now click the Trade menu, then select Order Ticket. You'll see all the available product types along the top: stocks, options, futures, and so on. Make sure the Stocks tab is selected. In the search bar on the left side of the screen, type TSM. That's the ticker symbol for TSMC on the New York Stock Exchange. You can also search by typing Taiwan Semiconductor. As you type, search results will appear. Press Enter or click the result. Next, choose the exchange. Select NYSE from the dropdown. Once that loads, the middle of the page will display a price chart along with the bid and ask price. You'll also see your available balance showing how much cash you have ready to spend. Take a quick look at the current stock price in the top left area. By default, Interactive Brokers shows delayed prices. Real-time data requires a subscription, but delayed is fine for most trades. Now click the blue Buy button to open the order entry form. In the quantity field, type the number of shares you want to buy. Interactive Brokers lets you trade fractional shares, so you can buy portions of a share if you want. Just make sure your quantity multiplied by the price doesn't exceed your available balance. Next, select your order type from the dropdown. For immediate execution, choose Market. This buys the stock at the current market price and typically executes instantly. If you want to set a maximum price you're willing to pay, choose Limit instead. If you go with Limit, enter your limit price in the field that appears. The order will only execute at or below that price. Review all the details: quantity, price, order type. Once you're happy, click Submit Buy Order at the bottom of the form. You might see a warning about submitting without market data if you're on delayed prices. Click Yes if you're comfortable with the price shown. If the market's closed, you'll see a trading hours warning. Click Yes to queue the order, and it'll execute automatically when the market opens. For market orders during trading hours, execution is usually instant. Once it's done, click over to the Portfolio tab and you'll see your TSM shares listed in your holdings. A quick tip: if your limit order doesn't fill right away, don't panic. It just means the stock hasn't reached your limit price yet. You can check the order status under the Orders tab and cancel or modify it if needed. Also, the Portfolio tab will show your position's performance in real time, so you can track how your TSMC shares are doing without going back to the order ticket. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.